this lesson, you're going to learn how to add Video Pro. So now that you've added that, you can just add the embed code. If you get this message here, don't worry about it. Just make sure that you delete the other parts of it, just like this. Go to the start, and you can grab this code from any website too that has an embed on it. You just have to make sure that you're showing the right one. So now this is the actual video, but this is going to be on autoplay. So I want to delete autoplay so it doesn't automatically start to play when someone shows up on the page. You can have it mute, you can have the alignment, and you can have overlay. An overlay is an image that you put on there or something you put on there, but I'm not going to put an overlay on this. So let's leave that basic and scroll up. There's really not much you can really add to this. It's designed to give you high quality and it's very, very clean. I just love how simple and easy it is. If you want to add a border, you can. So let's say we got a solid. How many pixels you want it to be? That can be 4, and we can choose the colors. Now you see that color over that. And you go through here and you can add the border radius. I'm just gonna put some crazy number. Now, if I wanted to, instead of doing each one 33, 33, whatever number that I choose, I can just click on this. I can just click on this link here. So as you can see, you can add the different radius, whatever number that you want. And that's just going to give the thickness of it. So you scroll down, adjust image. And there you have it. So you can be able to add videos from your website, just transfer it over from like your Facebook, your YouTube, or anywhere else that you have embedded videos, and you can put it directly on your website.